Hello everyone. Today I'm presenting the BI mini project, that is sentiment analysis of the IMDb movies dataset. The dataset consists of four tables: movies, names, ratings, and title principles. The movies table consists of the following attributes: title, original title, year, date published, genre, duration, country, language, etc. The IMDb ratings table consist of the ratings of each of these movies and also the distribution of these ratings based on the gender and the age. The ratings of the movies have been divided into three groups. From 1 to 5, we consider it as a negative sentiment, from 5 to 6, neutral, and 6 to 10, positive. This dashboard gives us the overall view of the dataset. From the pie chart, we can see that out of the total movies, 47% of the movies received negative feedback, 36 as neutral, and 15% received positive feedbacks. From this chart, we can see that the maximum number of movies were produced from USA, which is about 28,000, India with about 6,000, France with about 3,000 movies being published, and so on. The third chart that we see gives us the total number of movies published year on year basis. So we can see that in the year 2000, about 1300 movies were published, which went on to increase to about 3000 movies in the year 2017, which means the number of movies produced almost doubled. This dashboard gives us the overall sentiment analysis of the dataset. The first question that comes to our mind is, does the duration of the movie has any impact on the feedbacks received by the viewer? From this chart, we have divided the duration into several bins. So for the duration 50 to 60, we have the total count of movies as 306. So the maximum number of movies which are published are in the range of 90 to 100 minutes. And next would be 80 to 90 minutes, then comes 100 to 110 and 110 to 120 minutes. From this chart, we can see that for the range 110 to 120 minutes, received the highest positive percentage ratio, that is 23%. So we might conclude that this range of duration would be the best range as per the viewers. This chart here gives us the sentiment based on the genre of the movie. Does uh, does the viewer have a preference of genres? Does one genre has a more impact on the viewer as compared to another? So this is the biography genre, where we can see that 47% of the movies were neutral, 20% as negative, 32% as positive. But if I change this genre to something like horror, the percentages change drastically. About 81% of the movies receive negative feedback, 15% neutral, and 3% positive. So, from this, we might conclude that horror might not be more preferable to the viewer. Similarly, we can see the sentiments of the viewers based on the language. So, for English, we have 55% as negative, 33.52% as neutral, and 10% as positive. I can change it to any other language, say Hindi, and the percentages changes accordingly. The third dashboard that we see is shows us the sentiments as per the age and the gender of the viewer. Thus, the age and gender has an impact on the ratings received. So, for the year 2000, for language, let me change it to English. And, and the genre, I'll take it as horror. I can see that the maximum number of feedbacks received were negative, which were the same for all the genders based the females and for males as well. But if I change it to something like biography, I can see that all the movies received neutral or a positive feedback for most of the movies. Also, we can see that the ratings of the males, average ratings for the male, was higher as compared to the average ratings of female. Thus, we might conclude that some genres are preferred by the males more as compared to females. So, by this, we can get down to the analysis based on age as well. So, for 0 to 18, 18 to 30, 30 to 45, and the mean. By this, we can see how the ages matter when the person is viewing a particular movie. So, that's our project. Thank you for watching.